हेलो एंड वेलकम। मेरा नाम है गौरव दत्त शर्मा और आप देख रहे हैं एशिया विल हिंदी। तो कल हमने एक वीडियो बनाया था जिससे बहुत लोगों को ये क्वेश्चंस मेरे पास आए कि परफॉर्मिंग आर्टिस्ट की कोई मदद नहीं कर रहा है। तो आज मेरे साथ है किंगडम ऑफ ड्रीम्स गुड़गांव के डांसर्स का डांस कैप्टन चेतन, जिसके साथ मैंने भी काफी नाचा है और हम एक दूसरे को काफी टाइम से जानते हैं। तो ये अब आपको बताएंगे कि एक्चुअल प्रॉब्लम परफॉर्मिंग आर्टिस्ट की है क्या। अब आप खुद जानते हैं कि परफॉर्मिंग आर्टिस्ट डे टू डे कमाते हैं और जिस तरह से शोज बंद हैं काफी दिनों से। सो चेतन, व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज द प्रॉब्लम विद परफॉर्मिंग आर्टिस्ट जब से लॉकडाउन हुआ है?
The problem is that the shows are not happening at all.
जी।
Now, most of the dancers used to earn depending on the number of shows they used to do.
हम्म।
जब shows नहीं हो रहे हैं तो they don't have any financial help as of now.
जी।
And I can also share with you a bit of the problem that the dancers are facing is most of the dancers haven't been paid for the last few months as well. So they
ओके।
haven't got the salary, and then there's the lockdown period which is going on. So nobody has the money to survive. So they're trying to approach government for the help, and their salary hasn't come, and it's also because of the company is not getting daily earnings because of the shows which used to run before. So everybody is stuck in a situation where they have no money to even help themselves and their family.
सो एक बात जो बहुत उठ रही थी कि डांसर्स के पेमेंट से बहुत जल्दी टीडीएस कट जाता है, सब इनकम सब टैक्स पेयर्स हैं। मगर जब हेल्प करने की बात आई है तो बिल्कुल इग्नोर कर दिया गया है, ना तो इनको गरीबों की श्रेणी में डाला गया है, ना ही इनकी कोई हेल्प की जा रही है। सो व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज द होल सिनेरियो?
See, we have been trying to approach as many as people we can for the help, and that's where we had to seek for the donation for all the artists. We tried running a campaign where we can try and help the team. Like in my team, there are more than 100 dancers.
Okay.
So me, along with the head of my team, we tried running a campaign where we can try and get some funds so we can help the dancers in this crisis time. As nothing came from the government side or from the company as well, I can say. So this is the best we could do to help all the artists and the dancers in our team. And there were people who came forward who donated a lot of money for them. But still, I think the help could be given from the government as well for all the artists.
तो इनफैक्ट सिंपल बात ये आती है कि टैक्स लेने के बाद भी एक तरीके से कोई हेल्प नहीं की जा रही है किसी की तरफ से, क्योंकि आप लोग किसी श्रेणी में फॉल करते नहीं है, ना गरीब हो। बट अब जब जरूरत है तो कोई आगे नहीं आ रहा है, कुछ लोग आगे आ रहे हैं। तो ये जो कैंपेन आपने चलाया है वो कैंपेन के बारे में मुझे आप थोड़ा बताइए।
See, it's basically a campaign for all the artists in our team because now the shows are not running, so they don't have any earnings anymore. And most of the dancers belong to a family where the family was surviving only on the income which they were earning from the shows.
Right.
Now they don't have any income, so for them to even have money for food and basic survival was also difficult. That's why we tried running a campaign so that for a month, if we can try and contribute 4 to 5,000 with the campaign funds we get, so that they can at least have food for their family.
सो एक चीज बहुत बड़ा क्वेश्चन उठ रहा था मेरे को भी, कल लोगों ने बहुत ज्यादा मैसेज किया कि डांसर्स और ये जो आर्टिस्ट होते हैं इनको इतने पैसे की जरूरत क्या है, एक नॉर्मल सर्वाइवल का 1000-2000 रुपए होता है। सो मैं खुद आपसे जानना चाहूंगा, क्योंकि मेरी बात इतनी ज्यादा इम्पैक्ट नहीं देती है। आप एक डांस कैप्टन है, आपके पास 100 से ऊपर डांसर्स आपके साथ काम करते हैं। व्हाई डू डांसर्स एंड परफॉर्मिंग आर्टिस्ट ऑल टुगेदर नीड अ लॉट ऑफ मनी टू सर्वाइव?
See, normally if you work in a corporate company, there are options for people to work at home, they're still getting income. Now people like us, we can only perform on stage.
Right.
Now if there is no stage, there are no shows, what else can we do at home? We can try and run some online classes, but at the moment also it's not giving the income that the dancers used to earn before.
Right.
And even if they get little amount, it's very important for their family. Now most of the dancers don't belong to a family where the family can support them.
Right.
It was the dancers who were supporting their family with their income. I mean, I can tell you, I had dancers who were in the college, they were still studying, but they were earning to help their family. They would study, they would work, they would do everything they can. They would actually study while performing in the show. And I think we both have done that as well while we used to perform.
Right.
So for them, it was really important to earn that much amount so that their family could be helped. There are many people who are facing many difficulties at the moment. Some people need money for medical emergencies.
Right.
A week back, one of my dancer, she needed a lot of money because her aunt was admitted and she needed money for operation. But now because of no work and lockdown, there's no income, no salary for us. So all the dancers in a community, they tried helping her with whatever amount we can contribute to her. Because in such times, I think it's the artist as a unity, we can come together and help that person.
So सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम जो इनफैक्ट जो दिल्ली के परफॉर्मिंग आर्टिस्ट फेस कर रहे हैं कि बॉम्बे में जो भी परफॉर्मिंग आर्टिस्ट हैं दे आर इन सम काइंड ऑफ एसोसिएशन और बॉलीवुड उनकी बहुत हेल्प कर रहा है। हमारे पास दिल्ली में ऐसी कोई एसोसिएशन नहीं है। मैं खुद बॉम्बे की कई एसोसिएशन का पार्ट रहा हूँ और मैंने अपना नाम खुद लिस्ट से हटवाया बिकॉज आई डोंट नीड फाइनेंशियल हेल्प। मगर ऐसी कोई एसोसिएशन दिल्ली में नहीं है। बहुत सारे जो गवर्नमेंट एजेंसीज है उनका यही कहना है कि आपकी एसोसिएशंस आपकी हेल्प कर रही हैं, लाइक बॉलीवुड इज एक्चुअली हेल्पिंग अ लॉट ऑफ डांसर्स, लॉट ऑफ असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर्स। पर जब बात आती है दिल्ली के परफॉर्मिंग आर्टिस्ट की या जितने भी हमारे यहाँ पे कॉर्पोरेट शोज करते हैं, स्पेशली जो किंगडम ऑफ ड्रीम्स में जंगूरा और झुमरू जैसे शोज करते हैं, वी आर नॉट पार्ट ऑफ अ एसोसिएशन क्योंकि हम भी नहीं थे। हम लोग एक पर्टिकुलर कोरियोग्राफर के डांसर्स हुआ करते थे जो कि साल लोग हमने काम किया है। तो अब जब एसोसिएशन का हाथ नहीं है तो आप लोगों के लिए कौन लोग आगे आ रहे हैं ज्यादा हेल्प करने के लिए?
See, I would say right now in Kingdom of Dreams, most of the dancers are freelancers.
Right.
Nobody has worked under any choreographer. Nobody has that kind of a training. But then they are hardworking and they wanted to come and perform on stage.
Right.
And as an association, at the moment, nobody has come forward.
Okay.
It's the people we know through our contacts, which we are trying to reach to. They are trying to help financially.
Right.
And some people are trying to, like few of my friends have been talking to Ministry of Culture and they have been trying to talk to other people who can try and help all the artists. And by artists, I don't mean just dancers. There are people like technicians who perform on stage. There are stage managers. There are crew members who actually do a lot of work.
Right.
But if you talk about dancers, let's say we can do something like an online class. But if you talk about a crew member, they can't even do that. Because for them, they have to be physically present on stage to work. So I don't know how much it's working, how much of this is in execution at the moment, but I've heard they're trying to get everyone together to help all the artists.
Okay.
And recently we got a form also for all the artists to fill where the ministry can help. But as I said, I don't know how much of it is in execution, how much of it is at work at the moment. We're just trying to help and circulate to all the artists, not just dancers, but actors, crew members, technicians, and everyone. So that overall anybody can get the help if they need.
So in short, अभी तक गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से कोई हेल्प आई नहीं है और आप लोग एक दूसरे की हेल्प कर रहे हैं। कम्युनिटी के बेसिकली डांसर्स कम्युनिटी बहुत ओपन हार्टेड रही है हमेशा। Whenever crisis
word of mouth, we are trying to talk to everyone. Okay. And dancers community, there are many groups where the dancers talk, freelancers. Then there are other groups where all the artists are involved. There are different groups of different shows. So everybody is trying to be in touch, especially in Delhi, and trying to help each other. That's what I can say.
So एक बात और थी मेरी कि डांसर्स को सर्वाइवल के लिए एक नॉर्मल आदमी से थोड़ा ज़्यादा पैसा चाहिए होता है। उसके पीछे के रीजंस बहुत होते हैं क्योंकि मैं खुद डांसर रहा हूँ। मेरे को आई थिंक 12-13 तो बॉडी में नॉर्मल इंजरीज हैं, इसलिए प्रोफेशनल डांसिंग छोड़ा है। So you tell me, what exactly are actually the problems? क्योंकि लोगों को लगता है कि डांसर ही तो है, क्या ही करते होंगे। तो why do we need more money to survive?
See, as a dancer, there are lot many things which is required for the body, especially. We can't just go on stage or just start dancing. There are different things which we need to work on, like our muscles. And for the muscles, we need nutrition, we need workouts and stuff. And for everything, a lot of money is required. There's an investment required for a dancer or an artist to go on stage.
Right.
If we don't work on the muscles, then there are muscle tears and the injuries that we get. And me and Gaurav have been prone to so many injuries. We know how. Like I've got back injury, I've got knee injuries, I've got injuries all over my body because of dancing. But that doesn't break us. We keep moving, we keep dancing, we keep just going on stage and dancing. This is how we are and this is how we love our passion. That's what I can say.
So in short, मेरा कल भी वीडियो में ये कहना था साफ क्लियर कि जो दुनिया को एंटरटेन करते हैं आज वो खुद तकलीफ में एंड नोबडी इज कमिंग अहेड कि उनकी हेल्प हो। कैंपेन भी आप लोगों ने चलाया है, मैंने वो कैंपेन देखा है, एंड आई थिंक अभी भी उतना पैसा नहीं आया कि डांसर्स में वो बढ़ सके। तो मेरी एक दिल से खुद ये फील था कि यार किसी तरह ये चीज को आगे लाया जाए। आई वुड लाइक टू नो कि अभी किंगडम ऑफ ड्रीम्स में और जितने भी आपके डांसर्स हैं उनका भी क्या चल रहा है, किस तरह से वो कोशिश कर रहे हैं टू कलेक्ट द अमाउंट।
If I talk about the ground reality, I don't know. I mean, because as per company statement, they don't have enough funds at the moment, and we haven't been paid for last 2 months as well.
All right.
So due to this situation, we had to also run a campaign, because if the salary would have come, there could have been little financial help for the few months of the lockdown. So we have been trying to reach to the government through Twitter and other social platforms to talk about the problems that the dancers are facing. And I think company is also trying, but I don't know how much is it, because I'm not in direct contact with the company.
Right.
We have to go through a contractor or the third party who handles everything for us. So he's been trying and talking, and he's been trying to have a word with them, so that all the dancers, and it's not just the dancers, every single member of the company, they haven't been paid yet. So we're trying to talk to each other and help each other in whatever way we can. Like, we arranged ration and food for all the people who are staying in Gurgaon. Like, most of the dancers stay on rent.
Right.
They are not from Delhi, they're from different cities. Now imagine in this time, if they don't have money to pay rent, how will they have money to actually have food? So we were trying to help and arrange food and ration for them, so that they can at least have food while they're at home. Most of the dancers have gone back to their family. People who are with the family, they have some support and help.
Right.
But the dancers who are staying alone completely in this lockdown, they can't go anywhere, and nobody can even reach out to them for the help. So we trying and asking people to at least give them food, so they can have food for a few days. Now this is the ground reality, because we've been trying to talk to the company, we've been trying to reach to the company, and we've been requesting them to clear the funds which we need. Now at the moment, if that's not coming, we had to go to other way, that's called donation and campaign, which we had to run. So, and there's no work, there's no earning, there are no shows, nothing is happening. So everybody is in a situation where they're stuck. There's a financial crunch for everyone right now.
So एक मैसेज जो कि आप गवर्नमेंट और पब्लिक तक पहुंचाना चाहते हैं, जो कि एक्चुअली अब ये हालात में डांसर्स की हेल्प कर सकता है, परफॉर्मिंग आर्टिस्ट की हेल्प कर सकता है, एक्टर्स की हेल्प कर सकता है, क्योंकि एक्टर्स का तो बहुत ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट होता है टू सर्वाइव, स्पेशली दोज हू अर्न पर डे, क्योंकि हमारे परफॉर्मिंग आर्टिस्ट सबके साथ सेम प्रॉब्लम है. सो व्हाट इज दिस वन मैसेज यू वांट टू, जो आप मैसेज आगे पहुंचाना चाहते हैं टू द गवर्नमेंट एंड टू द पीपल ऑफ द कंट्री?
I just want to say, if the government can come forward and help all the artists, all the performing artists, I would say, in whatever way they can. It can be through arranging some funds for them, or trying and reach out to them for the basic essential needs which they need at the moment.
Right.
And I know we don't have any work, and maybe for next few days there won't be any more work due to the lockdown extending. That's what I feel. So in this hard time, we're just expecting or requesting the government to come forward and help all of us with whatever means you can. I just don't want to go in details. I think you're the right person to think about us, but just think about it. There are people suffering, they have nothing to do, they have nowhere to go, and they have no money to earn as well at the moment. So if something can be done, that would be really good.
So ये थे चेतन, और एक स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड उन्होंने जो बात कही है वो ये है कि सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक छोटी मदद की ज़रूरत है सभी परफॉर्मिंग आर्टिस्ट को, चाहे वो पैसे से हो या एटलीस्ट खाने के पैसे, क्योंकि इनके सारे पैसे सिर्फ रेंट में चले जाएंगे. और ऐसा नहीं है कि रेंट माफ़ किए जा रहे हैं, ये सिर्फ कहने की बातें हैं. जहाँ पर रेंट मांगा जा रहा है लोग मांग रहे हैं, ज़रूरी नहीं है हर जगह पर रेंट माफ़ हो रहा है. तो मेरी भी सरकार से और लोगों से एक दरख्वास्त है, इनफैक्ट बॉम्बे इंडस्ट्री से भी एक छोटी सी दरखास्त है. हाँ, हम लोग आपके एसोसिएशन के पार्ट नहीं है, पर हम भी आप में से एक हैं. तो अगर आपसे मदद हो सकती है तो इन परफॉर्मिंग आर्टिस्ट के बारे में भी सोचा जाए. सिर्फ एक एसोसिएशन या एक इंडस्ट्री को अलग रखकर हम सब एक हैं, वो चीज़ को सोचा जाए। एंड आई वुड रियली रिक्वेस्ट द गवर्नमेंट टू लुक फॉरवर्ड टुवर्ड्स द परफॉर्मिंग आर्टिस्ट। हम लोग एक्चुअली बहुत बुरे टाइम से गुजर रहे हैं, और जितने भी डांसर्स हैं दे नीड मनी, जितने भी एक्टर्स हैं, जितने भी स्टेज मैनेजर्स हैं, बैक स्टेज कोऑर्डिनेटर्स हैं, टेक्नीशियंस हैं, उनके लिए बहुत बड़ा क्राइसिस आगे खड़ा हो चुका है। तो एक छोटी सी दरखास्त है गवर्नमेंट से, प्लीज इस पर ध्यान दें। सो थैंक यू सो मच चेतन फॉर योर टाइम, एंड मैं पूरी कोशिश करूंगा कि ये वीडियो दूर दूर तक जाए, और मैं पूरी कोशिश करूंगा कि कुछ मदद आ सके। और आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, एंड आई विश यू लक कि कुछ फ्रूटफुल हो जाए।
Thank you so much, and I wish you luck as well. Stay safe and more power and love to your family as well.
थैंक यू सो मच, और लॉकडाउन खोलते ही एक बार फिर से नाचते हैं।
Definitely, yeah, definitely. मिलके नाचेंगे.
थैंक यू
Thank
सो
you.
मच।
Okay, buddy. Take care.